Hello everybody, this is your boy is back here, and guys, welcome to another interesting episode. Guys, we are going to talk about if you should go with manual trading or if you should go with robotic trading. There's a lot of manual traders, very profitable, that don't believe in the possibility of having a robot trading for you. There's a lot of robotic traders too that, they see the manual trading as not to be that much good. It won't help you on the long run. I want you to stick with me to the very end of this video, because guess what? At the end of the video, I will take you to my desktop and I will show you different profitable robots, and they are all in profit. I'm your boy Spack, and let's begin. So guys, we're going to talk about what is manual trading and what is robotic trading. All right, I think one is quite obvious, or maybe both two is quite obvious. All right, but I'm gonna just break it down, all right, per the way I understand it. Okay, so manual trading is you basically trading without the help of any automated system. So trading manually involves you basically sitting in front of the chart, doing the analysis yourself, everything maybe with the help of some indicators here and there, and at the end making your own decision, everything depending on you. Then once you are settled, you jump right into the market. And when you want to get out of the market, you get out of the market. That is basically manual trading. So it needs your attention. Your attention is needed 24/7, not 24/7. I mean, during the time that you will be entering into the market, doing analysis and stepping out of the market. All right. So you have to do everything by yourself. Okay. Either with the help of an indicator or without indicators. Okay. So those that trade naked market. Okay, so let's look at robotic trading. Robotic trading is for the lazy people, those that don't want to do nothing in this world but just want to make money. No, that's a misconception. All right, guys, you need to understand that if you are able to make something successful and it's producing profit, that doesn't mean you are lazy. You must have understand something. You must have implemented something to be able to get to this level of possibility, right? Whereby it may appear to be that at this point you're not doing much and robots just working for you, all right? Which is my style, all right? Now, so basically robotic trading is not what I said, that it's for lazy people, all right? But basically robotic trading is that once you understand the science behind manual trading, and once you understand the advantage of robotics, okay, especially when you've been into coding and programming, because I'm a computer science student myself. I know how to code, all right? I've been through all of that. I know automation can do, okay, the leverage, the advantage that it comes with it, okay? So, and I know, and knowing the possibility of manual trading as well, because here it is. This is how it is. For you to be very good in robotic traders, and this is what a lot of robotic traders don't understand, all right? For you to be very good in robotics trading, okay, you need knowledge in manual trading. I don't care how profitable your strategy is. I don't care who told you that you don't need to study anything about your robot. Just put the robot there and the robot will be trading profitably for you. Yes, but there comes a time for everything. There will come a time that, bro, you will lock. And once you are locked with a robot, when I say lock, I mean once you don't know what to do with a robot, bro, that thing can blow all your accounts, all right? But when you have the right knowledge, whether you are the one who implemented the robot or you were not the one who implemented the robot, but because of this robust amount of knowledge that you've been able to compound over the time, both from understanding manual trading and coming to accordance with the possibility that automation systems can give to you. Combining these two together makes you a great robotic trader. So robotic trading is basically you setting up the robots the way you would have trade so that the robot will trade for you. That is that. Nothing much, nothing less. So if you're a coder, if you're a trader and a coder like I am, you code your robots with the mindset that you would have manually trade. Now, what is the advantage of robotic trading? Now, I'm not going to dig much into it, because if not, I will digress the whole thing, all right? So I won't dig much into it. But why is it that we leverage on the advantage of the robotic trading? We leverage on the advantage of the robotic trading because of the human errors. Sometimes we are afraid, sometimes we frustrate, sometimes we can't control our emotions and all of these kind of things. Are you with me? So that is why we leverage on the advantage of robots. And robots are very disciplined because they obey instructions. They are just waiting on instructions. Okay? So that is what basically it entails to talk about robotic trading. All right? If that is clear, smash the like button and let me know. Okay? So now that we've understand both two, I want you to think of this. Which one should you opt for? Okay? Instead of which one is the best. Now, for me to break down for you guys, which one should you opt for? We'll be looking at three things: your strengths, your personality, and your engagements. Personality is, are you a tech savvy? You see? Because if you are not a tech savvy, then you got to know that there is a little bit of work to be doing always around robots, which I will call it maintenance. All right? Example, let's assume you bought the robot from someone. All right? You buy the robot from me and the robot stops working. If you're not a tech savvy, the robot could be making money for you. But if you're not a tech savvy and maybe it is beginning to lose some money, and all that is necessary to be done is maybe adjust the time offsets, okay, which in my robots, pay the way they trade, it doesn't need the time offset, all right? That is not relevant. But in some robots that I've seen, guys, I've seen a lot of robots. So in some robots, you will manually need to go and work on the time offset. When your broker changes their time server to match the market's time, you too will have to go and set the robots too. And if you don't know how to go and do this, then your robot will be out of phase. Are you guys getting me? So that is what I mean by maybe a maintenance. Another maintenance example could be, let's say your take profit has been hit, or your stop loss has been hit, all right? Or your drawdown has been hit for the day. So the robot dislodged itself. The robot removed itself, okay? So it's not that the robot is not working. It just hit the take profit or the stop loss or the daily number of amount of trade. So it just closed everything and closed itself. So you will have to reload the robot back again. Some robot comes with certain parameters, all right? If you don't understand them, the parameters, how can you let them work in a way that suits you? Because guys, this is what cheats a lot of robotic traders. A lot of robotic traders don't know that trading is personal. So from whoever you buy a robot, even if they give you set files, my brother, that doesn't mean that those set files will suit your personality. It could make you money, but when it starts to lose, question becomes, to what degree is that robot going to lose money? All right, I'm gonna leave it up for the maintenance side. Are you getting me? So it's not just, I put it on and it's making money for me. I can travel to the Hawaii, I'll be chilling there. All right, y'all have already seen that it's not possible, okay? So if you want to do that, watch my video whereby I explain to you guys how to control your robot from your phone. All right, so let's keep moving. If you are not a tech savvy, that is where you can't control the robots. Okay, so the robots using will become a little bit laborious for you. Okay, difficult to stay with. So that is why I will advise you to opt for maybe manual trading in this case. And if you want to go for the advantage that robotic traders come with, then you will need knowledge, all right, to be able to control it. Which knowledge? Both the science, the understanding between automation, and a little bit about Forex trading. Okay, some foundations about Forex trading. Because if you don't know lot size, if you don't know take profit, if you don't know stop loss, if you don't know trailing, if you don't know break even, all of these are parameters that are in robots. If you don't know spreads, if you don't know these things, how can you control the robot? And you turn up and say, oh no, the robot is not good, it's not making money for me. Bro, your knowledge is what is killing you. All right, so I'm gonna leave that there. So it depends on your personality. The other thing we want to look at is it depends on your engagement, right? Because I might be a profitable trader. But guys, guess what? Maybe I'm a doctor. Maybe I'm a pilot. How many pilots in the world do we have? Not that much. How many doctors? Good. I'm talking about good doctors, good surgeons in the world do we have? Not that much. How many good lawyers do we have? How many good whatever thing do we have? You understand me? The world, every organization, all the systems that we have in the world are run by human beings. So we all can say that we are stopping what we are doing, our professional, to come and be traders. You see, you can be a doctor, you can be a surgeon, you can be a pilot, you can be an engineer, you can be an architect, and still leverage on the advantage of robotics. And that's why I said that stick to the very end of the video, because I will show you that robots can make money. I'm gonna show you that on my desktop. I'll show you different robots that's making money. If you get your hands on the bad robots too, then good luck for that. All right. So it depends on your engagement. All right. If you're a very, very busy person, if you're a motivational speaker, people need you more than the trade. What are you making in trading? Just money. But guess what? Money can't buy you everything in life. Money can't buy you anything. Have you ever seen the situation whereby they said that, yes, you have the money, but we just don't have the solution? The situation whereby they say, oh, we don't care about your money. We are just not going to give it to you. Who are you? Are you getting me? So money can get you anything. So you need strategic relationship. If you're a motivational speaker, people need you. Are you getting me? So I'm gonna leave that for that on that subject, okay? In the area of engagement. What about strength? So let's say if you're someone that maybe you have some kind of chronic sickness, some type of illness, maybe let's say you can't see that well. Do you understand me? Maybe let's say you can't sit in a chair for a long time because when you sit, you begin to feel some pain in your body. Guys, guess what? Traders sit a lot of times. You get me? On the weekend, they have to do technical analysis, break down the market from big time frames to smaller time frame, look into different pairs to find trading opportunities that could happen in the week. And that's hours of, sitting. So if you are not physically strong to do that, then that means you have to be standing doing your analysis. And if you can't stand that much too as well, then it's a problem. So in this case, which one can you opt for? Maybe you can get a robot, you can get someone to implement your ideas. Then the robot will be helping you. All right. I'll be doing a lesson at the time of recording. I've not done it yet, but you can check on my channel. Okay. Because maybe by the time you watch this video, probably I might have done it. Okay. So I'll be doing a video where I will title it Fully Automated Robots and Semi-Automated Robots. Okay. If you want to do a semi-automated robot, that means the robot will do a lot of the job for you, but before it enters into the market, then you will come in and look at everything and you will decide whether to enter in or not. All right. So third thing. All right. So we want to look at this before we decide whether we should go with robots or we should go with manual trading. All right. If you are good, if you're strong, if you're mentally disciplined with your mind, you have a lot of time at your disposal, you are the owner of the company, but there are people who are running the company for you, then you have that time, you can sit behind and do your trading, manual trading. All right. If your psychology is not strong enough to make decisions for yourself in front of the chart, you can trust on the advantage of robot. All right. So let's look at having break down these points for you. All right. Having break down these points for you, I would like to conclude, but before I conclude, guys, I will take you on my chart and show you something quick. All right. Let's go and see some profitable robots. I mean, for the manual trading, guys, if you go on my channel, I think I've done the landing session is pure naked markets and the trend strategy. Okay, do this to make more money. Following the trend. That's the title of the video, something like that. If you go on my page, I show you some manual trading skills that makes you money. As a matter of fact, you can see real proof in the example that I gave you in the video that I did. Okay, so real life market trade. It's not something like I'm showing you guys and I haven't done it myself. No, you can see me having implement the strategy in the video. Okay, so if you like manual trading, go and watch those videos. All right. If you like robotic trading, watch this right now. Okay, so I'm gonna show you some robots trading live right now. Okay, let's go here. As I told you, not all robots are profitable. Right now, some robots too could be profitable, but because of your lack of knowledge, your lack of understanding, it could be a problem for the robot not to be profitable. Okay, so that's why you need knowledge. Okay, because once you get the robot, you just don't put it on it and it starts to make money for you. So my advantage is because I know programming and I know trading as well. I know manual trading as well. All right. So, but I just like to go with robotics because of the many things that I'm doing. Do you understand me? And I think they need my attention. Okay. And because I've understood the possibility in robotic trading, because of what I know that robots can do for you, that is why I personally prefer robots trading my money for me. All right. Let's see some robots running on demo accounts. All right. So guys, you can see here, this robot here, you see, it's trading on a demo account, and it was a 50,000 account, and this robot has switched it to 52,954 US dollars. Okay. Hands free, guys, hands free. Feel me? Hands free. you can see the same currency pair that the robot is on. You see, since it was placed on, let's come here, starting from here. You see, it is the robot that has traded this money and has made this profit. Do you get me? All right, let's see another robot. And these robots can trade your prop firm accounts for you and even your personal accounts. All right. So as you see in this robots too, all right, we are standing at 2,451 in profit, big time. It was a $50,000 account. All right. Could we have made more money than this? Yes. I just had to boost the lot size. Think of it. Here we are trading off an indices and I'm just using the 2 standard lot size. Imagine if I was using the 5 or the 10. Are you getting me? But I'm testing it, one, because of the settings that I have given it. Okay. And because I wanted to trade conservatively. All right. That is me for you. All right. So as we can see, this robot too is in profit, big time. All right, let's keep moving. And all these robots, as I told you, can trade on prop firm. Okay, this one too, forget about the loss because it was trading. I had another robot on it. Remember I told you guys, you see this robot, you see here, you see from the US 30 backwards, it was another robot. Guys, I told you, if you get your hands on the bad robots, you are dead. So when we place the robot on the account, okay, look, we placed it on account from here and check it out. Since that time, the robot has been making profits ever since, because of the settings that I gave to the robots. The only time it made a loss was 18 cents. All right. And it's even trading with a micro lot. So imagine if I boost the lot. You understand me? That's why I told you guys that, I'm not just doing this for money. I'm a guy that I like to vet things before I put it out. Do you understand me? I test my robots, see that they are working very, very well, efficiently before I give it out. Do you understand me? And this is what I do behind the scene before bringing out a robot. So you can see how profitable, lucrative this robot is. All right, let's look at another one. This robot, man, it's kind of like on and off. You understand me? It's not one of my best robots. Guys. It's profitable, but for some reason at a certain point it gets there, it gets to the top and begins to lose money. But it's not being consistent like how the other ones have been. I've just given it a new settings and I want to see how the new settings go. All right. Now, guys, all these robots you are seeing, they are all live. Okay. They are all live. Okay. So here we are, another robots. We are in profit, 50,000. And here is it. It's trading. This one too is trading with a micro lot. All right. And all these robots are trading currently. They are all trading live, actively on the live markets. All right. See this one here, the dates. Okay. So this one, the robot just entered into the day, not into the day, the trade. So imagine if I was busy, the robot will be trading for me and I didn't have to come in. You understand me? I didn't have to be around to take the trade. This one's haven't taken the trade yet. Okay. This one too took a trade today. No, I think today it hasn't taken a trade yet. No, it took a trade today. Let's go and check. Yes, it took a trade today. Yeah, and we made money. All right, guys, it's okay. Let's get back to us. So, guys, this is all for you guys. Okay, opt for manual trading and use robotic trading too as support. All right, if you can't do certain things, then you will have to implement your ideas. All right, so that maybe the robot will help you in a semi-trading form. All right, and you don't have to do much. The robot will do all the analysis for you, but before it enters into the trade, it will give you a signal, then you will come in. Why is it important that you opt for both too? Because think of when they shut robotic trading, when they begin to say from this point on, from this time on, no one can trade with robots. What are you going to do? Will that be the end of your trading career? That's what I'm saying. Opt for both too. All right. So for the time being that the robot is making money for you, make sure that you get knowledge as a manual trader, okay, as to how to become a good manual trader. Okay. And if you're a manual trader too, begin to get into the direction of automation system, because guys, believe it or not, automation is the future and we are already inside, guys. And if you did enjoy this video, make sure you hit the like button. I go by the names back